In part 2 of our MOP series, we are back at Tampines, one of our favourite estates with fond memories of many spectacular listings, and we are pretty sure this one at 5198 Tampines Central 8 will not disappoint either. Hi everyone, it's Alvin and Elizabeth from The Right Move. The unit that we have for you today is all about the location.
Situated literally within the heart of Tampines, we are just a short walk from the 3 Tampines shopping malls, 2 MRT stations, bus interchange, and the magnificent new Our Tampines Hub. This is convenience at its very best. We are the HDB 4-room unit that measures 83 square meters that has just hit its MOP. Whilst not the largest HDB you'll find, its efficient layout allows for 3 full bedrooms that are capable of fitting a queen-size bed, a dedicated area for dining, living, enclosed kitchen, and a yard. And being a DBSS, it offers something that is very rare for HDBs, a balcony. We look out into an open field, offering unblocked views that is great for ventilation, natural light, and privacy.
Over at the master room, we have another balcony which offers you a calming sanctuary in the comforts of your own bedroom. For the kiasu parents in all of us, we are within 1 kilometer of Saint Hilda's, Gongshang, and Poi Ching. Thank you for coming along on this tour with us today.
Click on the link below for more of such newly MOP units. Bye!